Find the maximum compression. They ask him to find the maximum compression they ask him to find. So I have a block. The block is initially moving with some velocity. The block is moving with some velocity. V0. So, and there is no friction. Yeah, tell me now here. So this block will move like this and will hit the spring. Then what happens now? Spring will get certain compression. So the spring will move from here to here. Let us say this much he has moved. Yes, the spring has compressed by this much. Let us say that means the compression of the spring is something x will consider. So now the spring will hit. Now at that instant, velocity of the block completely becomes 0. Again, the spring will try to apply the force on the block. Then because of that, block will move backside. Isn't it? So at the maximum compression, what happens now? Velocity of the block is completely 0. Remember. So at maximum compression, what happened? You tell me now. At maximum compression, at maximum compression, what happened? You tell me. Velocity of block is 0. Velocity of block is 0. Got this point? Try to remember this point. Right. Now look at now here. Now let's apply the work-energy theorem here. So work. What are the work you done by here? You see this thing here. This work done by the gravity plus work done by the normal reaction plus work done by the applied force plus work done by the frictional force plus work done by the spring force equal to what help me now? Delta Ke. Here, what are the force works are there? Gravity is downward direction, displacement is right side. So angle between them is 90. So that means the work done by gravity is 0. And the normal reaction is which direction? Upward direction na. Angle 90. So work done by the gravity in the normal reaction also 0. Next, work done by the frictional or applied force. There is no applied force na here. So the block is moving. There is no force we applied. And there is no friction na, mu value 0 given. So that's why there is no frictional force also. Now here what we have, the spring force is there na. What is the work done by the spring force? You tell me. Work done by the spring force is what? Tell me now. Minus ma. Work done by spring force is negative. That is minus 1 by 2 k x square. Where x is what? Tell me. Compression. Compression or elongation. And which is equal to change in kinetic energy. So final kinetic energy, that is half mv square minus half mu square at maximum compression. X is the maximum compression. At maximum compression, velocity is how much? 0. Final velocity 0. That's why we'll come it as minus 1 by 2 kx square equal to 0 minus 1 by 2 m into yes v0 square. So we'll cancel a minus 1 by 2 cancel. So we'll get it as what will be now kx square equal to what will be now mv0 square. They ask him to find the compression. That means x value we should get now. X is equal to how much we can say now? v0 into square root of m by k. This is the maximum compression of the spring.